Welcome students. This is very beautiful days to all the students and I hope all of you are very fine today. So this is your brain sir and today in this video I'll cover your the non number and it's really very interesting. So you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand it very good. So my little stars, let's start it from the very beginning so that we can understand here. So here is your first phase of this video. Welcome students. Welcome back once again. So what is noun number? Let's see. Noun number, it can be singular and plural. It's called noun number. For example, singular noun. Pen and girls, etc. These are the example of singular noun. And second one is a plural noun. So pens and girls, etc. These are the example of plural nouns. So as you know very well, there are two kinds of noun number. So first one is your singular noun. Second one is your plural noun. So let's see its definition. So here is the first definition of singular noun. So what is singular noun? When a noun mean one noun, it is said to be singular noun. For example, girl, boy, book, church, and box. So these are the example of singular noun, and it's really very important to know. So let's move on into the next page. Welcome back once again guys. So let's see the second definition of plural noun. So what is plural noun? When a noun means more than one, it is said to be plural noun. For example, boys, girls, books, and churches, etc. Now we will learn the third one is your how to change the singular noun into the plural noun. So it's very important. So there are some rules which can help you to change the singular noun into the plural noun. So here is your first rules. The plural noun is usually formed by adding s to a singular noun. For example, lamp, lamps, cat, cats, fork, forks, flower, flowers, pen, pens. So these are the example of your first rules. So it's very easy to change the singular noun into the plural noun. So my dear students, you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So let's move on in the next page. Welcome guys once more. So let's know the second rules. What is your second rules? Let's see. Noun ending in s, z, sh and ch form the plural by adding es. For example, mouse, mouses, birds, buzzes, box, boxes, dish, dishes, church, churches. So these are the example of second rules. So let's see the third rules. What are your third rules? It's very important to know. So here is your third rules. Non endings in y preceded by a consonant are written in plural by changing y to is. For example, lady, ladies, city, cities, army, armies. So these are the example of your third rules. So let's move into the next rules. Welcome students. So here is your fourth rules and it's very important to know. So what is your fourth rules? Let's see. Non ending in y preceded by a vowels form their plural by adding s. For example, boy, boys, day, days. Let's see the fifth rules. So most noun ending in o preceded by consonant are written in plural by adding es. For example, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes. So these are the example of your fifth rules, and it's very necessary to understand, and you must write these all things in your note copies so that you can understand it very good. So my children, let's see the next page. Here is your next page of this video. Welcome guys once again. So let's see the 6 rules of this noun number. So what is your sixth number? Some nouns ending in f or fe are made plural by changing f or fe to ways. So example is your weave, weaves, wave, waves. So next one is your irregular plurals. So what is your irregular plurals? Let's see. Man, men, woman, women, child, children, food, feet, tooth, teeth, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, goose, geese. So these are the example of your irregular plurals, and it's very important to know. So let's move on into the next page. So here is your next page of this video. Welcome back children. So this is your last page of this video and I hope you are enjoying with me. So what is your last? Let's see. The following nouns have no singular. So my little stars, the words which you are looking here, these are noun, but you can't change this noun into the plural because these are words singular as well as plural. So first one is your scissors, second one is your trousers, third one is your cattle, fourth one is your oats, and fifth one is your measles, and sixth one is your tongs, and the last one is your mums. So these are the words itself singular and plural. So these words can't be changed into the singular and to the plurals. So it's over for today. See you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye children.